Welcome to 14159 Forestvale Drive here in Baldwin, Missouri. We have done some wild changes to the layout in this house and took it from an outdated house and just brought it up to speed. I'm excited to walk you through and show you all the changes that we've made to this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,540 square foot house. Let's go check it out. We've added some great interest in this entry foyer. I put shiplap on the wall and the furniture piece can set in front of it. I love the light fixture. It's kind of a dome pendant with the matte gold finish on it. And then the ceiling domes up and creates some height in the entryway. Off of that is our dining room, and I am seriously in love with this fixture. I think it's a perfect complement to each other as you walk into this home and really sets the tone for what you're about to experience. This kitchen has a dramatic change in its layout from whenever we started. We moved a powder room across the house, deleted a bar that was attached to the kitchen, and expanded the kitchen to allow for a large island. There is such a nice flow to this house with the light fixtures, the flooring throughout. We did light gray cabinets with the brass handles to match the fixtures throughout. We did a backsplash that is a Calcutta look. It's a porcelain tile, and open shelves with some lights on them so that it really makes the hood area feel more dramatic. In this living room space, we have carpeted floors to add a warmth and a different texture. I went ahead and kept the existing brick as I did not want to incorporate stone into this house, and I painted the brick a faux finish to match a brick color that I really liked. We wrapped the center beam with a faux wood beam that was just more tailored and not so rustic, and added a new light fixture. In this powder room, I wanted to keep it simple but sweet. So I used a white cabinet and a light colored top and incorporated dark fixtures with it for some drama. Another great feature about this house is that we moved the washer and dryer up to the main level and added a main level laundry right in the hall that's convenient for everyone. This master bedroom had some pretty great changes that were made to it as well. We added a large walk-in closet, which is not something that you often find in a home in Baldwin. This made a second walk-in closet, creating a his and hers, each individual closets in this master suite. One thing that's also nice is that we added hardwood floors to all of the bedrooms. In this master suite, it's all about his and hers. So in the master bathroom, we've added separate vanities for his and hers vanities. I tiled the showers with a tile that complements the floors and really draws the colors throughout the house. We've done dark fixtures. That way, again, it accents the light colored cabinets and countertops and polishes off this beautiful master bathroom. Last but certainly not least is this beautiful hall bathroom. I love how bright and light and airy it looks. I've used a tile that looks like a Carrara marble, but certainly is not the maintenance of it. A white vanity that has some storage underneath. And then I brought in a mirror that is the brushed gold that matches the fixtures throughout the house to have some continuity. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video with me. I love doing walkthroughs and I can't wait for the next one. Go ahead and check us out on our social media links or on our website at www.kbuildit.com.